Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure auto-rotate is enabled in quick settings and not forced off. Then, test the sensor by tilting the device slowly. If the screen moves, the software likely blocks rotation. Once done, reboot the device to clear temporary glitches. This quick restart resolves many issues because it resets sensor drivers and apps that may be holding orientation locks. If the rotation still fails, keep going to targeted checks and adjustments that reveal whether software or hardware is at fault. You now isolate causes. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks rotation. If it works there, you know an installed app is the culprit. Next, run a sensor test app to observe accelerometer and gyroscope data. Stable, changing values mean hardware is fine. Then, inspect display and accessibility settings for forced portrait options and reset them if needed. Once you identify whether an app or setting is responsible, uninstall or reconfigure it. Otherwise, prepare for deeper resets or calibration. You finish by calibrating sensors or applying any pending system updates. Updates often include driver fixes that restore rotation. If calibration and updates fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove corrupted system settings. Once reset, retest rotation before restoring apps. If the screen still refuses to rotate, the accelerometer or gyroscope may be faulty. At that point, seek professional repair or replacement. Quick troubleshooting tip. Test with a known good app that forces rotation to confirm hardware status.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.